Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be unboxing the high-grade Rising Freedom Gundam bootleg version. At the front of the box, you can see Rising Freedom Gundam. And it says here, HG Rising Freedom Fighter, high-grade 1/4 scale model. In this corner, the logo of the manufacturer. And on this side are the accessories that it comes with. And it also shows the gimmicks this model kit has. On this side, the Rising Freedom Gundam and Rising Freedom Fighter. On this side is the actual image of the model kit. And on this side, just the same as the one on the other side. And nothing underneath. Now let's open this up real quick. And here's what's inside the box. Foil stickers, the instruction manuals, and here are all the runners that it comes with, and of course the instructions. We have here the colored side. Now let's see all the runners. They are packed in 2 plastic bags. Let's open up this one first. So first, what we have here is the action base or the stand, clear beam effect parts, some blue parts, and another runner for blue parts, and a clear blue effect piece for the beam shield, dark gray runner for some parts of the inner frame and the hands, clear beam saber effects, and white parts. So you can see some parts of the shield, the front and back skirts, and also the beam rifle. Now let's open up the second bag. First one we have here are light gray parts. Another runner for white parts. One yellow piece for the V-fin. A small runner for the red parts. Another set of white parts. Now we have here some black parts. I believe these are for the backpack. Another set of dark gray parts. I believe these are for the inner frame and parts of the rifle. And finally, we have here a water slide decal sheet. And that is all the contents of this box. I hope that I will be able to finish this soon so I can post my review. So that is it for this unboxing. I'll see you on my review video for this one, and thank you for watching.